Welcome back! Today we're making a pumpkin cobbler. You're going to need some all-purpose flour, sea salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, now I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients together. In another bowl, I'll add canned pumpkin, vegan butter, sugar, coconut milk, and vanilla. Add a cup of the pumpkin mixture to the dry mixture. Place the rest of the pumpkin mixture into a casserole dish. Spread it evenly. Now top it with the flour mixture. Yours might be a little looser than this. I made mine too dry. I'm going to bring some apple juice to a boil. To the top of the cobbler, I'm going to add some walnuts, or you can add pecans if you like, some brown sugar, and some cinnamon. Pour the hot apple juice over the top. Place the cobbler into the oven on 350 degrees for 50 minutes. And I top it with some almond whipped cream. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
to subscribe.